Some of you might be wondering if the Certified Project Management Professional designation is really worth it. Hi, I'm John Juzbasich, and I'd like to share my perspective on it. First, I'd like to share a little bit of history about the project management profession with you. Then, we'll look at the pros and cons of earning the Certified Project Management Professional designation. For thousands of years, people managed projects in whatever way made sense to them. It worked pretty well. We built the Great Pyramids of Egypt, the Great Wall of China, and many other monuments over the centuries, including the Taj Mahal. The discipline of project management, as we know it, did not exist until about the 1960s. Jim Snyder and a few of his associates had projects, and there was no body of knowledge. They began a newsletter where people could submit articles on their techniques that they're using and subscribe to read about what others are doing in project management. This newsletter evolved into what we know today as the Project Management Institute, and over the years, over 875,000 people have earned the PMP designation. However, during the late 60s and 70s, we found out that the standard project management tools and techniques did not work out very well for software projects. Adaptive methods emerged, and today these have evolved into what we call agile project management, and there are several variations of it in existence today. Project management continues to evolve. Universities now offer master's degrees in project management, and professors do research as to why projects succeed, why projects fail, and develop new techniques to manage and measure projects. So with this continuing expansion of our knowledge, we've also come to some new methodologies. Some of you probably have heard of critical chain project management. Project Management 2.0 recently came out. The Project Management Institute published the 6th edition of the Project Management Body of Knowledge, commonly known as the PMBOK. So let's look at the pros and cons of becoming a certified project management professional. On the positive side, project management professionals handle 75% of the high-performing projects, and they have higher success rates. They must know something. On the other hand, the test does cost a lot of money, almost $500, and it's very time-consuming to study and also to take the test. On the positive side, we find that it is the 5th highest paying certification. Not bad. All right, it is an industry standard and universally accepted. On the other hand, the cost of training. You have to take courses, you have to study for them, so more time involved. All right, more time, more commitment. And then you also have to buy the textbooks for the courses you might have, and that involves a lot of reading and studying. Again, more of a time commitment. On the positive side though, we're learning important skills that you might not have today as you learn how to do projects on your own. These skills can be more efficient and make you more productive and more successful at work. It also can lead to higher salaries, all right, and networking opportunities. You'll meet more people with similar interests and perhaps network to higher paying jobs. On the other hand, you do have an annual PDU commitment. PDU means Professional Development Unit, and so you need 60 in 3 years, or on average 20 per year. That's 20 hours. Some people might feel like you're wasting time learning skills that you're never going to use on the job. I can argue with both of those. First of all, the annual PDU requirement is not so bad. Many professions have that requirement, such as CPAs, lawyers, nurses, doctors. All right, what it does ensures that those individuals stay current and on top of contemporary knowledge in their fields. For project management, the PDU requirement serves the same purpose. And as for learning skills you're never going to use on the job, well, your job's going to evolve over time, the current one, and or future jobs. And these skills will make you more efficient, more productive, and make you a better project manager by learning these new skills. So I'd say those last 2 points really aren't significant at all. So when you look at the list, the pros far outweigh the cons. Which brings us back to our original question. Project Management Professional, the PMP designation. Is it worth it? I say yes, because it's your future.